Still on finding trending tokens before they blow up. Now this is Poocoin. This site may look cliche or not very relevant, but at least it still works. Basically, it still works. So what are you going to do? Click on tools. Go to trending most visited tokens in the past. Probably you set the time frame to whenever you want. Actually, you can change it to 24 hours or so. You can put it, but the problem with Poocoin is that it's really related to the EVMs, probably the 8 BNB or so. I don't think Solana projects are very likable here. So now you're going to see most linked tokens in the past 24 hours. You're going to see most viewed tokens in the past 24 hours. So if you're a meme guy, you should know that what people view is what they buy. So you would likely copy some of these contract addresses, scan them on X and see who is talking about it and see what is going on with the particular pair. So you can streamline your charts or your search to maybe 1 hour, let's say 30 minutes. It's auto-generated based on external traffic to the website. Use caution when visiting these websites. It is possible that there may be scams. Okay, these warnings are very valid though. So now they said to view more, you should unlock premium tier 3 to view more time frames and list the top 100 instead of 10. So, but we are basically not subscribing for it now because we are working on making videos and telling people how to do it. So we're not subscribing now. So this is basic knowledge of it. Now, I have another very good site I use. I have DEXTools. DEXTools. DEXTools is not very acceptable for Solana. It's based on Ethereum and other EVMs like BNB, Base, all those stuff. So now, if you're into meme coins or into trading on meme coins that are not Solana, this is actually a good spot for you to find hot pairs, hot pairs, trending pairs, and market cap with as low as 3 million market cap that you can scan, check them out, and ape if you want to. Because it is that time of the year again. I feel like there should be a new Dodge, there should be a new Pepper. Something is going to make the derivatives work. Solana is a bit outstretched right now, and nobody actually knows what is cooking. Coin goes up to 200 million. As soon as it goes up, it comes down as soon as possible. So many people are looking for a hedge, and I think Ethereum may just be the hedge everyone is looking for. So you can also create a token here. You can launch a token using DEXTools. You can check out all they have. You can check token creator. You can check multi-chart. You can check Dex phone, just like what Pumpkin has and stuff like that. You see new pairs and all that stuff. Okay, just like Pumpkin, But like I said, DEX2 is majorly for the EVM chains, not for Solana. Solana, a lot of JITs exist and all that stuff. So now you see this one here. This is just 3K market cap. This is where people gamble, like just like Pump Fund. I never knew this existed until one of my last few researches, and the last time you could see people really trading on it. I think it's a new derivative and it's going to really work well because this is a new development. The last I used this DEX tools, it didn't really have all these features and all that stuff. So this is it.